Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the screen timeout duration on Apple Watch Ultra 3. So first of all, open the list of all applications by tapping the digital crown on the side. Then scroll down to Settings app and open it. And once you open Settings, you're gonna have to find Display and Brightness settings on the list. Then open them and then scroll down until you have the wake duration feature right here. And right now you have to select it and then decide whether you want the display to be turned on for 15 seconds or for 70 seconds. And that's how you can change the screen timeout duration on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.